So here we are, and we're going to make a Tom Collins today. So we're going to use Franklin & Sons soda, we're going to use Tanqueray gin, fresh lemon juice and sugar syrup. But if you wanted to switch that up a little bit, you could do by using vodka instead of gin to make a Joseph Collins or a Pedro Collins with rum, a Pierre Collins with cognac. But today we're going to go a bit more classical with a classic gin Collins. So to get started, we're going to go in with 25 milliliters of lemon juice. Then to create balance, we're going to use 15 ml of sugar syrup. If you prefer your drink slightly sweeter, you can take that up to 25. We'll then use 50 ml of London Dry Gin. Today we're going to be using Tanqueray. And then top with Franklin & Sons soda water. Fill my glass halfway. Add ice. And top with a little more soda. To garnish, we're going to add a simple peel of lemon, spray that over the top for the oils and aroma, and then just trim down the edges and pop that in next to the ice. And there we have a classic Tom Collins.